today's topic a bit, which is advertisements by educational institution often create an illusion or sugarcoat the reality of their offerings, and these deceptive practices can have significant impact on individuals' life. Let's explore more of it in detail. I think there are many factors for this educational false promises, but let's discuss the five major ones. First is job placement guarantees, which every education institution offers these days. Many educational institutions advertise job placement guarantees, suggesting that graduates will easily employment in their desired field upon completion of their whole study and course. However, these guarantees are often based on selective statistics and may not accurately reflect the job opportunity, the job market's reality in the end. Second, I think, is overemphasizing rankings of the academic institutions. Educational institution often highlights their rankings and accreditations in advertisement in many ways, creating an illusion of prestige in their quality of education they provide. While rankings are like can provide some insight to an institution reputation, they do not necessarily guarantee an excellent or very amazing educational experiences for the students. And the students who chooses an institution slowly based on its rankings and may laterly overlook other crucial factors such as program fit, teaching quality, and extracurricular opportunities lacking, misleading scholarship opportunities to them. Many educational institutions advertise generous scholarship and financial aid programs to attract students earlier, but later it's all false to the students because they cannot provide all the major factors they provide while saying when you take admissions in the colleges, because to every student providing lakhs of what do we say scholarship to each and every student won't be possible for a university. Another one is when we go and get admission in any of the colleges or the institutions after our 12, we are as a student have like idealized ourselves into a student of the year like movies, but it doesn't happen exactly like our expectations. So idealized campus facilities is the next point. Advertisements often present campuses as state-of-the-art, offering luxurious amenities and cutting-edge facilities. While it is important for institutions to provide adequate resources for students' education, the reality may fall apart from it for the glamorous portrayal of the advertisements. Students who enroll with the expectations of accessing top-notch facilities may be disappointed to find outdated men's education. Next one is related to my personal experience when I was getting enrolled for my course here for the masters. That is exaggerated alumni success stories. Yes, alumni success stories. Educational institutions frequently highlight success stories to their alumni to showcase the potential outcomes of attending their institution. While these stories may be true for some, for a selective few, they can create a misleading perception to all the graduates will achieve similar success or the level of success in their institution. Students who are awed by these narratives may later face disappointments and frustration if they do not achieve the same level of success, potentially leading to self-doubt, career dissatisfactions, and sense of failure may they lead to the students. Lastly, I would conclude by saying it is important for students and their families to approach advertisements with a critical mindset, seeking independent information and conducting through research before making educational decisions for their children and enrolling them into any of the institutions. By being aware of these potential illusions and sugar-coated claims, individuals can make informed choices and mitigate the potential negatively affect on their lives. Because there is a very famous बड़े और दर्शन छोटे. So be aware of these kind of advertisements for institutions in educational system. There will be educational advertisements, but don't fall for them